And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. After losing the T20 series 2-1 earlier this week, the West Indies women will look for a winning start to the one-day international series as they face host nation India women in the opening game on Sunday in Gujarat.
The West Indies women's hunt for a first bilateral series win against India women continues early Sunday morning Jamaica time as the Caribbean team tackle the hosts in the first of 3 one-day internationals in Gujarat. The last time the teams met in a bilateral ODI series, India women won 2-1 in the Caribbean back in 2019. The Windies women, however, had won the first game in that series by a run and will take heart in the fact that the T20 series this week was decided by the final game. The Windies bowling was cause for concern during the T20s as the team conceded 571 runs across the 3 games. For captain Hayley Matthews, that will have to change if the team is to be competitive.
We know they're going to want to score, and we have to find a way to make that as difficult as possible come the ODIs. And then I think with the bat as well, there's still a lot of positives we can take out of it. We've been able to score runs, which is crucial in any format, but I think going into the ODIs, especially looking at a match like the last one and getting to a score of, I think, 170 for 1 shows that we've got the capability within the dressing room to be able to go out and put big totals on the board. Hopefully we can carry that into the ODIs as well.
Sunday's game will be the 4th in 8 days for the touring West Indians, who will continue to play a match every other day until the series ends with a 3rd ODI on Thursday.
It can be tiring, but look, I think that's the nature of it these days. We knew coming down here that it was going to be a pretty hectic schedule, and look, I think for me personally, I kind of like the back-to-back games within a few days. I just feel like it gives you an opportunity to get back and right your wrongs a lot quicker.
The last time the Windies played an ODI series in India was in 2011, where they led 2-1 before losing the last 2 matches to concede the series 3-2 to the hosts. Sunday's game is set to bowl off at 3 a.m. Jamaica time.
After what happened in the